Yes, students, now we are going to discuss about present perfect tense. Now we are going to discuss what do we use when we make passive form of present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, what do we use? Helping verb has, have according to the subject. If subject is singular, one thing है, if you are talking about one thing, what do we use? We use has plus third form of the verb. And when the subject of the sentence is plural, means more than one person, if you are talking about more than one person, then what do we use? We use have plus third form of the verb. So students, here I have written few sentences of present perfect tense. Now we are going to discuss कि while making passive form of present perfect tense, what changes we do follow. Ravi has eaten an apple. Ravi has eaten an apple. तो Ravi is singular subject. With Ravi हमने क्या use किया है? We have used helping verb has. Ravi has eaten. Third form of the verb. First form is eat, second form is ate, and third form is eaten. Ravi has eaten an apple. Full stop. So passive voice बनाने के लिए what do we use? We will bring the object in the beginning. Object becomes subject. An apple. Now an apple singular है कि plural है? Singular. One thing है. तो one thing के लिए what do we use? We use has. An apple has के साथ क्या use करना है? While making passive form हम क्या use करेंगे? Been. Has के साथ been, have के साथ been plus third form of the verb. An apple has been eaten. Has been eaten by Ravi. तो क्या हो जाता है? Has oblique have been third form of the verb plus by. Has been, have been, third form of the verb. An apple has been eaten by Ravi. तो Ravi क्या था? Subject था. Now it is object in the sentence. Let's discuss second example. Children have plucked flowers. Children have plucked flowers. So, children, we are talking about children. Child singular form है, children plural form. Children have plucked flowers. With children plural form है, what we have used here? Have. Plucked third form of the verb. Children have plucked flowers. So now object of the sentence will become subject now. We will write down here flowers. Flowers कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? In the beginning of the sentence. Flowers have been plucked by children. अगर यहाँ पे child होता, what do we use? Has been. अब यहाँ पे children है तो हमने क्या use किया है? Have. अगर अब यहाँ पे we are talking about flowers, तो flowers के साथ क्या use करेंगे? Have. Flowers have been. अगर flower होता, children have plucked a flower, तो क्या यूज करते? A flower has been plucked by children. तो यहाँ पे flowers है, more than one thing we are talking about, तो flowers के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? Have. Flowers have been plucked. Plucked क्या है? Third form of the verb. Flowers have been plucked by children. Next is they have updated the list. They have updated the list. तो they क्या है? Is it a singular? नहीं, singular नहीं है. They हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? More than one person के लिए. They have, they के साथ क्या यूज किया है? Have यूज किया है. They have updated the list. उन्होंने लिस्ट को क्या कर दिया है? अपडेट कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट, अब इसकी पैसिव फॉर्म कैसे बनानी है? The list, यहाँ पे क्या यूज होएगा? The list the list has been updated by, दे का क्या बन जाएगा, them बन जाएगा. The list अब क्या है, सिंगुलर है, एक चीज है. The list has, सिंगुलर के साथ क्या यूज करना है, has के साथ पैसिव फॉर्म में क्या यूज करते हैं, been प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. The list has been updated by, दे का क्या बन जाएगा, them. Next sentence is, the principal has given a presentation. Principal ने क्या दी, presentation. A presentation one thing, and according to the subject we will use helping verb in a passive form. A presentation has been given by the principal. Next is, Rita has painted a portrait. अब यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट अ पोर्ट्रेट है, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट है ना पोर्ट्रेट, तो ये सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. अ पोर्ट्रेट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन हैज बीन पेंटेड बाय रीटा. So students, active passive voice we are discussing, and कौन सा टेंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, we are discussing present perfect tense. तो present perfect tense में क्या यूज करते हैं, helping verb has plus third form, have plus third form. Has, have ये क्या है, they are helping verbs and we do use according to the subject of the sentence. Now while making passive voice according to the object, जब object subject बनता है तब हमने helping verb उसके अकॉर्डिंग लगाना है in a passive form. So with the help of these examples we have discussed that if present tense is given in active form, how we have to change the passive form. I hope you have understood. Thank you.